Peppa gives thanks. It is a lovely sunny morning. Peppa and Susie are having a tea party in the garden. I brought my teddy to join us, says Peppa. Did you bring your owl, Susie? No, says Susie. I brought my new Mr. Super Snuggles. He is the best bear in the whole world. What does he do? Peppa asks. He can sing, says Susie, and say I love you, and his eyes light up. Wow, says Peppa. My teddy can't do any of those things. When Peppa gets home, she finds Mommy and Daddy Pig. I would like a Mr. Super Snuggle, please, she says. But you have a teddy bear, Peppa, says Mommy Pig. My teddy's boring. Peppa snorts. He can't sing or talk and his eyes don't light up. Ho, ho, ho. Daddy Pig laughs. Come, Peppa, let me show you something. Daddy Pig shows Peppa a photo album. There are a lot of pictures inside. This is when we went camping, says Peppa, and to the beach, and on a hot air balloon ride. And who is all these pictures with you? Asked Daddy Pig. My teddy, cries Peppa. Right, says Daddy Pig. You've had Teddy ever since you were a little piggy. That makes him very special. We have to be thankful for the things that we have, says Mommy Pig. What's thankful? Asks Peppa. It means we are happy for the wonderful things in our lives, says Mommy Pig. What are you thankful for, Peppa? Peppa thinks. My toys? She runs upstairs. Her room is filled with lots of lovely toys. What else? Asks Mommy Pig. Our house, cries Peppa. I love our house and our car and our garden. Oh ho, laughs Daddy Pig. Anything else? Peppa thinks. I know something I'm thankful for, says Mommy Pig. What? Asks Peppa. You and George and Daddy Pig, of course, says Mommy Pig. He, he, he. Peppa giggles. I am thankful for that too. And I am thankful for Susie Sheep and all my friends, says Peppa, and Granny and Grandpa Pig. Let's call Granny and Grandpa Pig right now, says Mommy Pig. We can invite them to a special dinner. Yes, says Peppa. I learned that I am thankful. I am thankful for my toys and our house and my friends. How lovely, says Granny Pig. But most of all, I'm thankful for my family, says Peppa, and my teddy. He, he, he. Peppa loves being thankful. Everyone loves being thankful, especially when there's so much to be thankful for. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel